Hello, my name is Nikita Verbakhovskiy, and I'm a second-year computer science student at Astana IT-2305, group IT-2305. Today, I'm going to present the results of my industrial internship, which I completed at Stratton LLP in June and July 2025. As part of my internship, I developed a Telegram bot that helps users search for jobs on Headhunter, one of the most popular job platforms in Kazakhstan. My goal was to combine backend automation, user interaction, and real-time web scraping into a single working tool. Let's explore how I approach this task. So next is about the company and my role. The Teton LLP is a digital solutions company focusing on business process automation, operational efficiency, and software development for various industries. As an intern, I worked as a Python developer in the software department. I was given the opportunity to design and implement a real product with clear value to users. A job search bot works directly in Telegram. I was responsible for entire development cycle, planning, coding, testing, debugging, and improving the bot. This experience was both challenging and rewarding. Uh, the main objectives of my project were first to build a Telegram bot that can interact with users in a simple and intuitive way. Second, to automate job searching on Headhunter by using web scraping. Third, to allow users to filter jobs based on keywords, region, salary, and experience. And finally, to ensure that the system responds quickly, handles errors, and offer a smooth user experience. I also wanted to write clean modular code that can be extended in the future. Next, system architecture. Uh, Let me show you how the system is structured. At the core is a Telegram bot built using the Diagram library, which supports asynchronous programming and state handling. When the user interacts with the bot, it stores the current state, for example, whether they are entering a salary or typing search keywords. Once all filters are collected, the bot calls a web scraper implemented using Selenium WebDriver to fetch job listings from Headhunter. The results are formatted and sent back to the user in a readable format, including job titles, companies, and links. Everything runs locally without a database using Python dictionaries for temporary data. Next, tools and environments. To build the system, I used the following tools and technologies. Python 3.10 as the programming language, Diagram 3 for Telegram bot development, Selenium and Chrome driver for web scraping. Development environment was Visual Studio Code on Windows, and manual testing and print-based logging to verify bot behavior. I choose these tools because they are widely used in real-world development and provide powerful features with good documentation. Next, the bot supports a variety of commands and actions. When a user starts the bot with start, they receive a main menu with buttons to set their preferred region, enter the minimum desired salary, choose the experience level, type in keywords to search for jobs. The bot keeps track of user input using an integral state machine. This helps avoid confusion and ensures a smooth interaction flow. After the user provides all filters, the bot automatically initiates a bot search and returns the results. Now next, the core of the system is a web scraper that fetch jobs data from Headhunter. Selenium simulates a browser and visits the site just like a real user would. Here's what it does. I encoded the user's search query, build the appropriate URL with parameters, region, salary, and experience, load the Headhunter page, and waits for the job cards to appear. extracts key information, job title, company name, link to the job, and optionally salary. Returns the data as a list of Python dictionaries. One challenge I faced was that Headhunter sometimes triggers captcha detection. In such cases, Scrapper detects it and exits cleanly without crashing the bot. Um, Next, code examples. First is igram handler example. Here's an example igram handler that responds to user messages. This handler checks the user's current state, passes and validates their inputs, updates internal dictionaries with their choices, and provides feedback, and either goes to the next step or starts the job search. For example, uh, first, it checks state. If state is waiting for salary, it uses uh, function to set the salary from a user message. Next, if it state waiting for keywords, it saves query and gets all filters like area, salary, experience, and region. Um, so I think we go to next Selenium scripting function. Uh, Now let's take a look at the actual scripting function. This function receives the query, region, salary, and experience as arguments. It constructs a dynamic headhunter URL, loads the web page using Chrome driver, waits for job cards to load with WebDriver wait, extracts elements using CSS selectors, and handles exceptions for missing elements, and return a structured list of job dictionaries. Finally, it closes the browser instance properly, and if an error occurred, this function is even if an error occurred, this function is modular and can be reused or extended in the future. For example, to support pagination or more filters. Next, Telegram bot interface. The Telegram interface is user-friendly and interactive. The bot starts with a welcome message and displays a custom menu with options. When the user enters keywords, a formatted summary is shown like this. Each job results included a pin emoji and job title, the company name, a clickable link that opens the job page directly on Headhunter. This design ensures that even users unfamiliar with Telegram bots can find a new job easily. Next is testing and results. I performed both manual and integration testing. Some of the key tests included valid and invalid salary input, selecting regions and experience levels, typing keywords in English or Russian, trying search with no results, triggering scraper errors to verify your handling. The bot responds in about 3 to 5 seconds after input, depending on page loading time, and also in case of errors or when vacancy is not found, it may take longer time to respond. The state logic are also resets correctly if the user gets stuck or closes the chat and returns later. Uh, Now we can see demo of the manual testing. So here's two examples of scenarios in manual testing with when vacancy is not found and when vacancy is found, and send it first five to user. Next, changed faces. Every real-world project includes some changes, and here are the main ones I encountered. Capture on Hunter blocked some scraping sessions. I had to implement checks and exit strategies. Next, managing multiple user states in parallel was tricky, but IOgram as FFM uh, made it manageable. The bot needed to handle unexpected input, invalid data, and timeouts without confusing the user. Keeping the code modular and readable as the project grew was uh, an important discipline. These changes helped me grow as a developer and taught me how to design more robust systems. Next is what I learned. Uh, this project was a great learning opportunity. Here's what I learned. Uh, how to build Telegram bot using IRM 3 and work with async Python. How to scrape dynamic websites using Selenium WebDriver. How to manage stateful user flows and write reusable handler function. How to handle errors and provide clear feedback to users. And most importantly, how to take an idea and turn it into a working product. I also improved my ability to read documentation, debug complex issues, and test in real-time conditions. Uh, Also, I improved my uh, uh, work experience with GitHub repositories. Next is future improvements. There is still room for improvement. Here are a few ideas I have for future development. Add user history and ability to save favorite jobs. Use a database like SQLite or PostgreSQL to store user data persistently. Switch from scraping to the official Headhunter API for reliability. Uh, and add multi-language support like Kazakh and English, and deploy the bot to a cloud server and use webhooks for faster, more efficient response handling. These upgrades would make the bot more scalable and production ready. Next, conclusion. Uh, in conclusion, this project gave me the opportunity to combine multiple areas of knowledge, from bots and APIs to web automation and UX design. It was a valuable hands-on experience that helped me strengthen my Python skills, understand asynchronous logic, and think like a software engineer. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.